Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use your hero chat wheel in Dota 2. Now, the hero chat wheel is going to allow you to use your hero's unique voice lines to communicate with your team. And here's how you can do it, okay? First of all, we're going to see what key you have assigned to this particular chat wheel. And for that, I just want you to go to settings in here. Alright, and I want you to go to hotkeys and then abilities and items and just scroll down to the very top where it says chat, okay? And you can see here what it says, right? We have hero chat wheel. As you can see in here, we're gonna assign a letter or a particular key to this. I'm just gonna assign, I don't know. Let's say for example, I don't know, let's make this up, set or maybe X. Let's actually try a letter there's not a sign in here. There we go. Okay, let's do L for example. So when I'm back into the game, if I just select, if I press L in here, what's gonna happen is that if I hold L, what's gonna happen is that this chat wheel is gonna, open, and then I can just start using it. All right. These lines you have to unlock. They're not for they're not for free. But yeah, if you unlock them, you can use them. You can also use your Y key. Okay, this is the default key that you can modify as well to give certain commands or certain things such as boost, help, need words, cure, missing, and so on and so on. But these are not so specific. These are in general for every hero, okay? But if you want, the hero chat wheel, just press the key that I told you to assign, and yeah, that's gonna be it. All right, guys, thank you so much.